everybody, how are you? This is Carol. Sit back and relax. Today we're going to talk about mascara. Mascara, mascara, mascara. Okay, today I have a dear friend of mine doing a very similar video that you'll be really interested in. We're doing a collaboration of mascaras. I'm going to show you a quantity of mascaras, and she's going to show you how she applies it, what she does, and her application. She is a little powerhouse. She's in her 60s. She's been on YouTube for many years, but only in this past year has she started beauty videos, and she has skyrocketed. And she travels in RVs with her husband, and her husband's a doll. The two of them, and he's got a channel too. I'll put his link below too. His name is Jay, and he does sports. So Monika is into skincare and beauty items and hair growth. So I think you're really going to enjoy her. And I just love her. And the person to ask to do this mascara video with me was Monika. She puts her mascara on before her makeup. She is a mascara freak. She will never be without mascara. So that's why I asked her if she could join me today and probably have lots of good information for you. Let's get on with my collection of mascaras, and let me give you a little history. I have been a Better Than Sex girl for several years, so I haven't ventured out. And now I said, I think I'm going to venture out in highlighters and mascaras and liners. I'm not just going to stay with the ones that I am used to. I'm going to keep experimenting. So, many years ago, I used to wear false lashes in my 20s. And then just, you know, mascaras that don't run. And that's my priority. They have to thicken and they have to not run. Now, that being said, my favorite mascaras are tubing. And that's what Better Than Sex is. Blink, B-L-I-N-C, has a tubing mascara. L'Oreal has a double-ended mascara. One side is a primer and one side is a tubing mascara. And Better Than Sex. Those mascaras will never, ever, ever run. Okay? So if you're afraid of raccoon eyes or getting black all over your face if you cry or if your tears come down from allergies, that will never happen with the tubing mascara. There aren't that many tubing mascaras out there, but my criteria is something that doesn't smear and something that thickens. And my latest criteria, which I've been on the hunt, is for a curling mascara. So I really don't enjoy taking another step and curling my lashes with that torture device. So I'm going to just randomly show you some mascaras. We're going to open them together and check out the consistency and the wand. This is by Rimmel, Scandalize. Now that looks pretty nice. That looks pretty nice. I like that. It's kind of dryish and it's got a nice wand. W7 does a lot of dupes. So here. Now that looks pretty good too. This is Bobbi Brown, and it's called Smoky Eye Mascara. Now this my friend Amy Miranda sent me. Amy Miranda's makeup. And that's what that one looks like. Now we have NYX XXL. I love this one. This, I can tell you, works great. It's thickening. Look at that. I like the wand. It does give you an extra bit of punch. Slowly, I will make a list of which ones don't run and which ones do run, if they do. Now, this one is by Terry, and it's Terribly. Mascara Terribly. And I do love this. And I have used this constantly. Now this is a lash growth serum in here. So even if you just put one coat, the first coat of this, and then your other mascaras, you can make this last a long time. I love that. That is a beautiful brush. This is by The Balm, and it's called Mad Lash Black Mascara. Okay, so that's a little curve and one of those plastic spiky bristles. That looks pretty good. Wait till you see the most ridiculous mascara. I'll show you eventually. Okay, this is L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. See? And I curved it. See, I do like that so I can get over here easy without getting it on my nose. But it's a beautiful brush. And if I straighten it out, I mean, you could bend these very easy. It's no problem. I have a hard time, I'll tell you what, going like this flute technique. No, I don't know. All of a sudden I lose coordination in my hand when I have to like put this near my eyes and uh-oh. But this is a nice thick one, and they say this is more like Better Than Sex. Although it's not tubing. This is by Yves Saint Laurent, and I love this. If you really want a gooey, goppy mascara, this is your mascara. Oh, look at that. The shock. It is so thick. I mean, this is a one coat and run mascara. So this is by Cherry Blossom. This is a transferring gel. First you put this on your eyelashes, and then you open this up really slow, and you get all those fibers, and you put the fiber, and then you put the transferring gel back on. You go back and forth. Cherry Blossom. This one is Yves Saint Laurent Mascara Volume Effet Faux Cils. These are mascaras that I've gotten either through Ipsy or BoxyCharm or with my points from Sephora. I don't remember how I got this, but look at that. Now this is Too Faced, and this is not Better Than Sex, but this is Lash Injection, and I believe this is a tubing mascara. Yep. So there's four. There's L'Oreal, there's Blink, and there's two Too Faced that I know of. If you know of any, let me know. Let us all know. Though this is a great mascara too. But I used this for a long time. I used a couple of tubes of this, and then I switched to Better Than Sex, and I never switched. Until recently. I mean, all these mascaras I really got this year. So this is WUNDERWAND by the company that does the WunderBrow. Ooh. That looks kind of nice. That's a nice shape brush, and it's a little bit of a dry formula. I like that. This is Bare Minerals Lash Domination. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, this must have came in one of those bags. Subscription bags. Ooh, that's nice. This has got a twirl. This is a twirly brush. This is what I'm wearing today. I do have a little bit of a false lash on the end. This is Supersizer by CoverGirl. Okay, so that comes in and out easy. It's got one of those skinny ones, but with those tight little bristles. I haven't used it enough to tell you an opinion yet. What is this one? This is Perversion. Perversion by Urban Decay. The black pencil I was in love with for a long time. But then the pencils were going too fast. And I said, I'm not spending $200 a year on black eye pencil. because they were over $20 a pencil, and they were flying. Sharpen them, they were gone. I have a video coming up on eyeliners, and I have so many dupes for Perversion by Urban Decay. So, but did you know that they have a mascara called Perversion? Let's see. But I look for a good bargain in a mascara and an eyeliner, because you just use them up so fast. You have to throw the mascaras out so fast. With the black pencils, they just go so fast because you have to sharpen them and sharpen them. So I do have so many alternates. I like to say it's the look for less that I bring you on my channel. Okay, this is Rimmel Super Curler 24. Oh, volume and curl. Yes. I love a curling mascara. Okay, that's a little wet, but it says it curls. I don't remember if it does or not, but I just want to show you your options. Or as I try them out, I will let you know. I'll write them down and I'll do a video. That is a nice wand. All right, this is Monsieur Big by Lancome, and this was I think 100 points at Sephora. That looks like a nice brush. Heard a lot of good things about this. I have another mascara to show you that looks so cool and is by MAC. It is called Instacurl Lash Mascara Recoupant. Recoupant, perhaps. And it's got this curled top. I think it's new. It's new to me. It's all even all around. It has the nylon bristles. Ooh, what is this? Wait a minute. This is coming loose. Now, why is that turning around? I have no idea. Why is that spinning? Look at that. I just noticed there was a seam there. Oh, look at this. I bet that brush is going to move. Look at the brush. Look at that. That is pretty funny. Oh, that is so weird. This is by Tarte. It's called Lights, Camera, Lashes. Oh, okay. I think the big one has that little vinyl pouch on it. Looks like a nice brush. I don't know if it runs. I don't know if it builds. I haven't used this one yet. I think we'll stop here, except for one more, which is the weirdest. It's by Almay. And it is a one-coat mega volume show-stopping volume. And it's a mega foam brush. Oh, wait till you see this brush. Look at that brush. It's a reverse Christmas tree. It's a megaphone. It's a megaphone. But it's going the wrong way. I think it's going the wrong way. Now, maybe it's good. Oh, you can get, like this way, you can get at the end easy with that. And then over here, you can get closer here. You know, it may not be that bad of an idea, okay? So let's see. You got the fatter tip over here, so you would think it would get in the way. But when you're going to your opposite eye, it reaches down at the corner easier because it's bigger over there, okay? And then you bring it around. Now over here, you can go very close. If you had it the other way, you would be like that. You can go very close and capture almost your whole eyeball of lashes. Wow! Look at that. I thought this was the worst one, but you know what? I think they're onto something. Wow. That is... One second. That feels so easy. Oh my goodness. I bet a team of women came up with this and tried every style brush, and they said, if I do it like this, and I could get everything. wow. Oh my gosh. Now I have to see how great it performs, and I'll get back to you. But wow. I still have more, but if I overwhelm you too much, you're not going to remember any of this. So I have 1, 2, 19, 20, and 21, and I can't even hold them all. I just wanted to show you my collection so you could see what's out there, and I will give you updates throughout my videos on these to tell you whether I like them or I don't, or if they smear or they don't, if they run. Today, this is the winner as far as the weirdest shape, but surprisingly really good. So don't forget to head over to Monika Mcgillicuddy, because she is the mascara queen, and she's going to show you what she does to keep her lashes long and lush. In fact, the other day in a video, she said she needed to cut her lashes. Yeah, cut with a scissor because they were so long. So you've got to see her if you're into mascara, and tell her I said hi, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and don't forget, hit the boop, 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 and the boop. And thank you so much, and thanks for coming by. Have a great week. I love you so much.